Okay, today I'm just going to take you around this front and rear dash cam. It's called an Orskey. So there's its dedicated bracket, especially made for the Mini. So there's no holes drilled, no wires cut in this install. It can all be removed very quickly. Okay, so that's the rear dash cam. Then it comes to the front. So if I do that, we have split screen front and rear in the small. Press it again, we've got split screen rear and front in the small. Then we've got side by side, and then all front and all rear. Okay, so that's that. So let's just do all, let's do all front. We'll leave it as all front there. Right, camera, so the lead comes along, runs all the way along the top of the vehicle to the back, and the power supply runs down the other side, down there to the dedicated OBD socket down in there, specially made for the Mini because it's stop start. Okay, so nice and easy. Takes about an hour to install. Really good little camera. You can buy them on Amazon, cheap as chips. And that's that. Thank you for watching.